I'm a lad aged 37 and I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. I can safely say that I'm happily married and also employed by a local bank. Everything in my life as well as my family's life was doing great until the lockdown began. When we were in lockdown, I noticed that my son's clothes were always full of blood. His father later confronted him, but he said there was nothing wrong with him. But his room will always be locked and he will always play music. Even if you knock, he won't answer. He only came out to eat and bath and use the toilet, then lock himself in his room. Lockdown came and went, but my son's behavior changed. His father then noticed that in the bin there were a lot of used razor blades. I was shocked when my son told us that he had been cutting himself. We asked him why, and he said he joined Satanism on Facebook and he needed to sacrifice his blood. When we got into his room, there were pictures and t-shirts written "Satan is God" everywhere in his room. After that, he just left until today. He said he doesn't want to come back home. Please help with prayers because I might die anytime thinking of all these guys. Please guys, can you help us kuti toitawo sei nemwana uyu? And takazomuwana zvedu, but paadzoka kumba ari kuita kunge achingori nebehavior iyoyo. Toitawo sei? Tokumbirawo kubatsirwa nemaprayers. Kana kuine vanobatsira tokumbirawo kubatsirwa kuti toitawo sei kuti tikwanise kubvisa izvi zvakaenda pamwana wedu.